Hello everyone. So Rylie got a new toy last night. One of our friends came over and got a new toy and Rylie wants to play with it. It's the cutest little thing. It is looks like a Stanley Cup with a straw. So it's the first time that Rylie's actually playing with it. So it's got like a bottle inside and makes all these crinkling noises, which is actually pretty good, right? It's kind of a fun squeak. Rylie seems to really like it. Huh, baby girl? You gonna bring it to mommy? And it's got a little handle. Oh, it's so cute. So thank you, Mommy, for the gift. Rylie loves it. Look at the little straw. Huh. Like it? It's probably just as long as Rylie. Oh. Someone mentioned they love how Rylie just hops into her bed. Her bed keeps moving further and further down the dining room. You want to bring it to Mommy and I'll throw it? Huh? You want me to grab it? Huh? Is that you waiting for? Mommy's gonna get it. Oh. Like, don't touch my cup, Mom. It's really big. Oh my goodness, so cute. You like the straw? It's got the little paw print. We hope it's not going to be filled with coffee because Rylie definitely doesn't need anything that gives her more energy. Let Mommy grab it. Like, can I grab it? Let me grab it. Let me grab it. Nope. She's like, nope. That's mine. I don't know if she can actually pick it up. Her mouth is not big enough. It's a big cup. She's going to have to learn. Oh, she grabs it by the straw. There you go. All right, everyone. We just wanted to say hello. Rylie's having fun playing with her little, appears to be like a Stanley little paw cup. Right, baby girl? She just wants to say she loves everyone and hopes everyone has a wonderful rest of the evening. And don't forget, Rylie loves you. Bye. Good girl.